Hey there, today we want to understand how to find standard deviation. This is mathematics and on a very famous topic known as what? Statistics. So today I just want to show you 3 steps that you can use for you to become perfect in finding what we call standard deviation. Remember, it carries how many marks? 6 marks in mathematics paper 2. Though this comes to that particular section, which is section B on your math paper 2. But there are times students tend to face difficulties on how they can find standard deviation. So today, Mr. Supu is here to explain the 3 steps that you need to consider before you can find the exact standard deviation. Let's go. Step number 1. This is a distribution table that you are presented with. This is the distribution table that you are presented with. Therefore, the first step that you need to take is to find the mid value of each and every amount. In this case, we've been given the amount and the frequency. So we are going to find the mid value of the amount that is on the distribution table. Therefore, this is going to be, we are going to say the mid value of the amount that we've been given. So here we have a 20. So it is the mid value will be 0 plus what? Plus 20. Then we are going to divide by 2. So we are going to divide by 2. Then we are saying the first number that we are going to get here will be a what? A 10. Remember, 0 plus 20, we are getting a 20. And we divide by what? We divide by 2, we are getting a what? A 10. So the first thing that you need to do, remember, is to find the mid value of the amount that you've been given. It is 0 plus what? 20. You divide by what? By 2. So let me show you how you need to be so fast on this one, because in an exam, you need to be very quick. So let's go. So we are finding the mid value of each amount. So we are saying the mid value on this one, it is 0 plus what? Plus 20. Then we divide by 2. So we are saying 0 plus 20, we divide by 2. So the mid value that we are getting is the value of what? The mid value is the value of x. So 0 plus 20 is what? 20 divided by 2, we are getting a 10. So here the mid value is 10. Then we go to the next 20 plus, it is 20 plus what? 40. Then divide by 2. So this is 60. So the mid value here, we are going to get a what? A 30. So let's go on the next part. It is 40 plus what? 60. We are getting 100. The mid value is what? Is 50. So here, 60 plus 80, we are getting 140. The mid value is what? 70. So this is the first step that you need to consider. Remember, you need to be so fast, because in an exam room, you are required to be fast. Remember, so we are saying, how do you find the mid value of the amount that you've been given? So the first step that you need to consider is saying 0 plus 20. You say 0 plus 20, then you divide by 2, we are getting a 10. Then here we say 20 plus what? 40, we divide by 2, we are getting a what? A 30. 40 plus 60, we divide by 2, we are getting a what? A 50. Then 60 plus 80, we divide by 2, we are getting a what? A 70. So this is how you find the mid value. After finding the mid value, remember the next step that you need to take is to find the mean. So mean is very important. The formula for finding mean, this is where you need to pay attention. So we are saying mean is equal to, so this is just the sum of what? Frequency times what? Times mid value over what? Sum of what? Summation of what? Summation of frequency. Okay, this is how the formula for mean is actually looking like. Therefore, the frequency, you have 5, 20, 55, 18. We are just giving the example. Okay, so the sum of frequency, this simply means that we are going to add 5 plus 20, 20 plus 55. Again, the answer we are going to get plus what? 18. This is how you need to find your sum. So if I can be very fast, allow me to show you on how you can find the mean. Remember, it is denoted by this symbol. So we are saying frequency, we have, which is 5 times what? The mid value is what? 10. Then we are saying This is sum. So summation, simply we are going to add. We go to the next one. This is going to be 20 times what? 30. Then we are going to add with a what? A 55, 55, 55. So this is 55. 55 times what? Times 50. Okay. Then we are going to add with 18 times what? 70. So this is over what? Sum of what? A summation of what? Frequency. So this is going to be a 5 plus what? 20 plus 55, then plus what? 18. This is how we are going to do it. Okay. So from here now, you can put all these numbers on the calculator so that we do it in the quickest way. Okay, so let's go. We have 5 times 10, again plus 20 times 30, okay, plus what? 55 times what? 50. Then plus what? 18. So the last digit is 18 times 70. So we are saying times 70. Okay, this is just an example. So what we are getting on top, we are getting what? We are getting 466, okay, 0 over, then the sum of frequency. So sum of frequency, we are saying it is 5 plus what? 20, then plus what? 55, then plus what? 18. This is how we need to do it. So we are getting what? 98. Remember, this is just the first step that we are doing. We want to find the mean. After finding the mean value of the amount that is given in the distribution what? Table. Okay, let's proceed. So we are saying this is 98. Then we can say 466 0 divided by what? 98. So we are getting a 47.55. So this is our mean. So I just wanted to show you how to find standard deviation by considering the first step. So the first step that you need to take is to find the mean value. These are the mean value on the distribution table that you've been given. Then the second step is to find, so this is step number 2. You need to find the mean. The mean, after finding the mean, then we can now bring out the formula for finding what? Standard deviation. But for now, you need just to follow step number 1. So in the next video, I'm going to make step number 2 until we get the exact standard deviation. For now, you need to pause the video and you understand on how you can get the mean value. So because x represents the mean value, so the mean value in this case, it is 0 plus what? 20. You get the answer to be 20, then you divide it by 2, you get what? 10. This is how you need to find the mean values. Otherwise, for now, we are going to end the first part of the video, then we are going to continue with the second part where we are going to find the exact